Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're tackling a real head scratcher, the YouTube Shorts black screen issue. I've heard from so many of you about this frustrating problem, so in today's video, we're going to get to the bottom of it and find a solution. Let's dive right in. We're going to make this interactive. I am going to upload 2 shorts. The first one. Yep, you guessed it, it's got that pesky black screen. But don't worry, I am going to walk you through the fix step by step. And just to sweeten the deal, the second short will play flawlessly with no black screen inside. Before we dive in, do me a solid, hit that subscribe button. I've noticed a lot of you watching without subscribing, and I'd love to have you join our awesome community. So, here I'm going to upload the first short. Tap that plus icon, select a short from your gallery, and let it process. Now I'm going to choose a short from gallery. Here it is processing, and now the processing is completed. I am going to add some text such as thanks for watching, and press next. Now here I'm just going to add a title and a caption, and now I will select the audience. I'm going to publish it. But wait, black screen. Now, let's breeze through the solution. Repeat the same process of uploading a short till the processing completes. So, here I will just simply press next. Without adding any text to the short, add a title and caption, select the audience and publish it. And guess what? No black screen this time. Check it out, folks. The video is playing beautifully, audio and all. That's how quick and easy it is to solve this issue. So, drop me a comment if you want a tutorial on adding text to shorts without encountering the dreaded black screen. And of course, if you found this video helpful, show some love by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, share it with your fellow creators, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Your support means the world to me. See you soon.